This is the Iron Max 5-drawer tool chest. The top is a 4-drawer with an opening top. It has a locking. You just pull this out. You can store it on either side, this side, or this side. This bottom part also has one hidden over here that loops from the bottom and goes over there. And it does have its little shelf on this side for those tools you need to access quickly. It holds quite a bit of weight. And then we got a lot in this one. We got a lot in that one. It's sturdy. It's got locking wheels. This big drawer. Space underneath for the shelf. It's not very big, but for the hobbyist, it's kind of perfect. You can move it around. As you see, I got it here behind my four-wheelers for reference as to how big it is. It's a pretty nifty little toolbox. I was surprised when I got it how small it was, but I see the uses. I mean, if you take the top off, you can use the bottom one as a bench. You could probably build up to maybe a 125cc dirt bike motor on that. Solid. Be able to move it around your garage. Anyway, thanks for watching.